Welcome to the Bitcoin News Show, where we provide you with concise, daily Bitcoin-related news. Let's get started. Today is Tuesday, November 1st, 2022, and this is your Bitcoin News. Nikolai Muzhijan, a co-founder of MakerDAO and its stablecoin DAI, has passed away in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Authorities are investigating the cause of his death. China's central bank governor Yi Gang updated an audience at the Hong Kong FinTech Week with new statistics regarding China's central bank digital currency, the eCNY. He reported lifetime transaction volumes worth $14 billion across all 23 cities that support eCNY. The figure is cumulative since China's launch of its CBDC in December 2019. The $14 billion figure is dwarfed by the main payment networks in China, such as Ant Group, which processes over $16 trillion every year. Bloomberg reported that the U.S. Department of Justice has passed off a criminal probe into Tether to the Southern District of New York. Tether disputed the story entirely, saying that, quote, Tether executives have had no interaction with the DOJ in connection with any investigation for well over a year, and the DOJ does not appear to be actively investigating Tether, end quote. A United Nations official has estimated that crypto finance physical terror attacks have quadrupled in the last 3 years. Dirty Bubble Media, which gained notoriety from investigating and whistleblowing about Celsius beginning in 2021, has published a new investigation into the financial ties between Celsius and Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX. Hong Kong is reconsidering its retail ban of crypto trading. The policy reversal, if enacted, would run counter to mainland China's continued prohibition of retail crypto exchange transactions. Apollo Global Management, which manages $500 billion worth of assets, has begun holding digital assets on behalf of its clients through a partnership with Anchorage Digital. Bandiesel, the development bank in El Salvador that handles some of the custody and convertibility of Bitcoin and US dollars on behalf of the government, has refused to comply with a Freedom of Information-like request for public documentation of the government's controversial Bitcoin transactions. Publicly traded Bitcoin miner Argo Blockchain has admitted that its previously announced investment of $27 million will likely not close. The company warned of bankruptcy if additional financing is not received. The company has lost 80% of its market capitalization year to date. Thanks for listening to the Bitcoin News Show. Subscribe to the Bitcoin News Show on YouTube and follow us on Apple Podcasts and Spotify to stay up to date on the latest Bitcoin news. See you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye.